Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. Quick shout out to Hannah, longtime student who is still training. Happy birthday, young lady. Biggest thing that's been on my mind lately is the upcoming seminar in November 4th, 5th, and 6th. Mark your calendars. Good martial is universal. Wing Chun is largely a conceptual or principle art. I mean, there are techniques, but the techniques are about executing a fundamental principle, a law of physics or a law of body mechanics. It's not so much your hand must be exactly here, and if you're a quarter inch off, it doesn't work. Now, that's not true. What works is if you're putting energy through the principle that's being utilized. So that applies to all martial arts, and that is what our seminar is about, or I should say seminar. It's a weekend workshop. Myself and Dan Bernardo, and we'll be comparing training techniques that are similar, pedagogy that is similar, but mostly principles and concepts that are similar and executed through similar approaches. Should be fun. I'm trying to think of things to do. There are a lot of them already, and we're coming up with stuff. The scheduling portal should be up soon, so you can reserve yourself a time, and the pricing will be there. So looking forward to that. I hope you get a chance to attend. I hope everybody's having a great day, and keep on training.